So what we very much can see on this our Swiss franc JPY is that we are actually on a bullish move on this daily time frame. We would start it, but for better understanding and to actually get this properly, let's start it from the weekly time frame, which I like using the most. So this Swiss franc JPY, we can see on this weekly time frame, we are actually on a bullish move, right? This price is actually moving uptrend. So if you are to trade on this weekly time frame standpoint, there's only one way to go, which is actually bullish. We are to go long on this Swiss franc JPY. It is exactly what you just got in. So I mean, this is it. Impulse move from here. We had a correction, right? There was an impulse move, right? So we kind of have like a correction which came like give serve as a double top movement kind of a thing, then a breakout, and we are now going bullish. So I mean, for this week, like you see this green candle, we've moved bullish a lot. So definitely we would actually go bullish for today, which is on the 22, and we'll also go bullish for the 23, which is also a bullish move. Now down to the daily time frame, we all can see, right, this is actually a bullish move. Let's start it from here. So kind of, price rejected this level about multiple times, 1, 2, and kind of 3 times, right? So price ended up, breaking above it. So basically, so the price actually rejected here multiple times, kind of range for some times on this daily time frame, for some days. I think it actually happened for about 2 weeks or more than 2 weeks. So price range here, then we had a breakout, right? We got to actually this highest level on Swiss franc JPY, then a pullback occurred, right? And an uptrend move after a pullback, we're expecting a bullish move, right? So that is what we just had on our Swiss franc JPY. So we've had a bullish move that has broken above this previous highs, right? So what do you think we are going to be having again? A continuous bullish move that we continue to go up, after up for some times, after it goes bullish for some times, then we will get a pullback. So the reason why I said 22, we are all going bullish, and you can see for this day now we've gone close to 200 pips bullish move on Swiss franc JPY. Do you see now? Swiss franc has gone incredibly bullish against our JPY. That is 300 pips. I can assure you that we will also go bullish. Now the next day we'll go bullish. The next day, now to actually enter this trade, if you want 4-hour time frame, you can enter this trade, right? It is the best time to actually enter this trade. But if you want to wait for a pullback level for it to happen, then definitely wait it around a pullback level at 150.575. But above all, go bullish, because the reason is that we will be closing bullish today, go bullish today, we'll close bullish today. The next day, which is on the 23, would also go bullish. But if you want to wait for a price to actually pull back, which we are kind of getting now, if it will happen, once we have the pullback, then you can enter to go long on this Swiss franc JPY. So Swiss franc JPY, above all, we are on an uptrend move.